A lumpy and splotchy mattress is not only uncomfortable but also makes your nights terrible. You'll wake up with back pain or a kink in your neck. Have you been using the same bed for years and now have decided to get a new one? Don't be in a rush. Try these 10 mattress hacks for cheap to improve your current mattress before you fork out thousands of dollars. Aside from the comfort they offer, these hacks will also make your bed look nicer, not to mention the availability of all the materials that allow you to save your money and make your mattress better in no time. If you don't want to invest your precious time to binge or to consume content of text ads you have no interest in, follow that simp home link inside the description. At the moment, the site won't be bothering you with any ads. 10. Change the mattress topper. A mattress topper is a coat that sits on top of an existing mattress. It covers any awkward lumps and enhances support. This way, your bed will be more comfortable. If your mattress is getting uncomfortable, maybe you should change the topper. The topper is available in many sizes, widths, and firmness levels. Consider purchasing a latex mattress topper cover to protect the topper. To begin with, pull the seam off the pillow top. Add the latex mattress topper when the surface is ready, then secure it with the cover. Make sure everything perfectly fits before you add the bed sheet. Extra! Add a memory foam topper to any mattress. Choose a memory foam topper that matches your current mattress. It can be thicker or thinner depending on your needs. A memory foam topper will boost support and make your bed comfortable to rest on. Or use a mattress pad. Choose a mattress pad that's waterproof and durable when possible. It will protect the bed and prevent spills or stains. You can also use a mattress cover to add a little texture. To create a perfect fit, test the fit by lying on the bed with the sheets pulled up. While you're lying on it, you want your topper and mattress to be touching each other, so it forms one big pillow top. 9. Turn and rotate the mattress. Do you want the most straightforward and cheapest mattress hack? Flip it! Yep, flipping the mattress will make it more comfortable. Turning the mattress over allows you to sleep on the less worn side, which is also less lumpy. But you can only flip the mattress that has a two-sided inner spring. If yours is a one-sided design, meaning it has no cushioning mattress, you can't try this hack. If that's the case, try to rotate the mattress 180 degrees from time to time, so the area that supports your head is now supporting your feet. This way you can ensure even wear, which prevents lumps. 8. Consider a mattress pad. A mattress pad covers hard and lumpy spots in a bed mattress. The purpose is to provide additional layers of soft comfort on the mattress top. You just need to lay it between the topper and the bedding. It will slip over your mattress like a fitted sheet and help you alleviate aches and pains in your joints and body. The pad comes in different sizes and materials, such as down, foam, and cotton. There's also a waterproof pad that prevents any stains. A mattress pad is excellent in preventing allergens and protecting against bed bugs. 7. Support what's sagging. Fix the sagging mattress with a suitable bed frame. The bed frame is crucial because it provides support and can change the feel of your bed. You can buy a compatible bed frame such as a box spring, solid foundation, or a platform. Alternatively, if you have a tight budget, you can fix the droopy areas by putting a wooden board or plywood under the sagging area. If your mattress is made of foam or foam-filled, apply some glue onto it to stick it down without any screws or nails, and you can wash it easily afterwards. Detailed instructions. Number 1, gently lift the bed frame from the surrounding drawers. Unscrew and separate the bed frame from the mattress. Number 2, remove the sags and wrinkles in any direction with a suitable tool. A fork, a golf club, a clothes hanger, or a single-pronged fork. Number 3, if you want to fix the sags in 2 directions, you can use 2 iron prongs on both sides of the padding to fix it up. And number 4, if your mattress is made of foam or foam-filled, apply some glue onto it to stick it down without any screws or nails, and you can wash it easily afterward. And after that, start sleeping comfortably again. 5. Iron the sheets the best you could. You can get a luxurious hotel-quality sheet in your bed by investing a little of your time in ironing the sheets. Ironing the sheets to perfection will result in a smooth and wrinkle-free bed. Here are some tips on ironing your sheets. First, set the iron temperature on high. The hot iron will glide over various materials and remove crumples instantly. Second, ironing the sheets in damp conditions is better and more straightforward than bone dry. And third, use starch to produce a crisp finish that makes the fabric stiff but not rigid. Last, invest in a good ironing board. 4. Buy high-quality sheets. Don't hesitate to invest into a high-quality sheet for a luxurious and comfortable mattress. The best materials, allergy-resistant, easy to wash, and budget-friendly, are a criteria for high-quality sheets. Materials like jersey or flannel sheets have a soft t-shirt feeling, but cotton is stiffer. One of the best cotton variations is Egyptian, while percale and organic cotton are more affordable. Linen and bamboo sheets are also good materials. 3. Style and layer the bed. A beautifully made bed makes the whole room look amazing, so style and layer your bed like a designer. The layers consist of a bottom-fitted sheet, a top sheet, and a bedspread. Vary the textures like embroidery, embossed patterns, or lacy accents on the sheets or the pillows. Use bed pillows and decorative pillows for the pillow arrangement that matches one of your layered sheets of any colors elsewhere in your bedroom. Arrange the pillows by standing them up against the headboard and add the decorative pillows in front of them. Play with combinations and configurations. Attach a decorative headboard or accessory in your choice of colors to finish off the look. You can use old-fashioned shams, pillows, or blankets for this purpose. Just make sure it does not touch your mattress, as it can cause allergies and irritations to your skin. 2. Cover it with an egg crate topper. The egg crate mattress topper may seem old, but it serves you well, and it also has many benefits for you. The bumps and valleys offer a surface where air can flow easily. It helps the bed feel cooler, which relieves pressure on parts of your body. The extra layer of comfort enables you to avoid back pain. There are various materials of egg crate toppers, such as traditional foam, memory foam, and gel-infused cooling foam. Not only for mattress layers, but the egg crate topper is also handy for camping or traveling. Relevant instructions. Step 1. Make sure the egg crate or memory foam is on top of the sleeper. Step 2. Keep your mattress wrapped in a waterproof covering, like a blanket or plastic. Step 3. Remove the egg crate topper and throw it in the washing machine in cold water. Step 4. Lay it on top of your mattress. This process can make you feel refreshed, revitalized, and ready. You'll enjoy a happier sleep. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. And lastly, number 1, make your bed mobile. Making the bed may be challenging if it is tucked beside the wall in your tight bedroom. You'll have difficulty getting in and doing it, especially if there is another piece of furniture in the way. The last hack will work for this situation. Make the bed mobile for you. Go to the nearest hardware store and buy a set of locking casters that will fit onto the 4 legs of your bed. Don't worry because you're in control of the wheels. Lock them if the bed is in use and unlock them to roll the bed when you want to make the bed. Mattresses wear out with time. Rather than replacing your old sagging mattress with a new one, trying one of these 10 mattress hacks for cheap might be a better option. Everybody would love to find ways to save money, and these hacks will be helpful. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video if you truly enjoy it, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.